अक्षय पात्र फाउंडेशन के चेयरमैन स्वामी मधु पंडित प्रभु जी आईआईटी मुंबई के एलुमनस हैं, पूर्व छात्र हैं और साथ ही अक्षय पात्र फाउंडेशन के मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी भी हैं। हम उनसे निवेदन करेंगे उद्बोधन के लिए, कृपया आएं और यहाँ सबको संबोधित करें।
First, I offer my humble respects to the sacred land of Vrindavan Dham of Lord Krishna. My humble pranams at the feet of my Acharya, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is my guiding light and inspiration. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Ram Nayak, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Sri Yogi Adityanath ji, and all the dignitaries on the dais and friends of Akshay Patra all over the world. It is a blessing to celebrate the momentous occasion in the sacred land of Sri Krishna. It is very appropriate on this occasion to recall what Sri Krishna spoke about the dharma of distributing food. In Mahabharata, King Yudhishthira had inquired from Sri Krishna on the intricacies of dharma, and Sri Krishna replied, Annena dharyate sarvam jagadeta characharam annat prabhavati pranaha pratyaksham na asti samshayaha annadaha pranado loke pranadaha sarodo bhavet tasmadannam visheshena dhatavyam bhutimichatha. It means the world is sustained by food, the giver of food is a giver of life and everything else. Therefore, one who is desirous of well-being of the world should make special endeavor to distribute food. Sri Krishna also instructed Yudhishthira by commanding 3 times, Dadaswannam, 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 meaning distribute food, distribute food, distribute food. And it is this very spirit that Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of the Hare Krishna movement, he ordered his followers to distribute food to one and all. Considering the sacredness of this act of distributing food, one of the best things that has happened to this nation post-independence is the midday meal program. This program was initiated in the year 2002 by the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Today, the midday meal program of Government of India is distributing about 100 million children, meals for 100 million children every day. This is the largest school feeding program in the world. Akshay Patra is very proud to partner with the government in this endeavor. Akshay Patra started feeding school children in the year 2000. We were struggling in 2002 to raise funds to cover 1 lakh children in Karnataka. The launching of midday meal by the Government of India in the year 2002 enabled us to scale up the feeding rapidly. Today, we are feeding 17.6 lakh children every day. Akshay Patra has today become a movement for social change to ensure that every child gets a nutritious diet, a fulfilling education, and a bright future. Centralized control of food quality, hygiene, variety of taste, food safety, fortification with micronutrients are the specializations that go into producing an Akshay Patra meal. The foundation has set up 40 centralized kitchens with state-of-art technology all over the country at an investment of rupees 462 crores raised through donations, which is a national asset for the cause of ending classroom hunger. Akshay Patra joined the Swachh Bharat mission by launching the program called Swachh Vidyarthi, Swachh Vidyalaya, Swachh Graha. Today, we have a volunteer force of 25,000 urban college students who are rendering voluntary service to create awareness of Swachhata through its affiliate organization IKEA. The foundation is also providing scholarships to bright students in the government schools and aims to procure 1 lakh scholarship to meritorious students by 2022. At the times of national disasters, whether it was flood or earthquake, Akshay Patra kitchens have been put to use for relief work across the country in Kerala, Karnataka, UP, and even in Nepal. A recent survey conducted by Akshay Patra indicated that there are many children who come to school without a breakfast. We wish to start a breakfast program for 1 lakh children in the coming year at our own cost, if the government permits us to do so. Akshay Patra is a testimony to the success of a public-private partnership. Civil society must join hands with the government to solve the social problems of this country if we have to succeed in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. We are very grateful to the Government of India and different state governments for giving us an opportunity to partner in this massive effort to end classroom hunger. We also thank all the donors, big and small, who have supported this journey that began by feeding only 1,500 children in the year 2000 and today serving the 3rd billionth cumulative meal. I thank all the voluntary members and organizations, along with 7,500 staff members of Akshay Patra, whose enthusiasm is driven by the dedication to serve this cause. We consider this as a service to share the divine love and compassion towards the children of this nation to support their education. On this occasion, I have one request to our Honorable Prime Minister. Currently, the midday meal program is only for students up to 8th class. Our request is that the midday meal program be extended to children of class 9 to 12 all over the country. Thank you, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on behalf of 1.7 million children for your constant encouragement for the vision of Akshay Patra. No child be deprived of education because of hunger. May God bless you with Jnana, Bala, Kriya to take Bharat to greater and greater heights. A Poshit Bharat, a Sikshit Bharat, and a Vikasit Bharat. Thank you, Yogi Adityanath ji, for your constant support in the state of Uttar Pradesh. I also thank all the honored guests on the dais for being here today, and also all the friends of Akshay Patra here and all over the world for their support. May we all be blessed to carry out the command to distribute more and more food, especially to support education. Thank you very much.